forgetting all the breaks I've had in my life. I was put on earth to be a part of this great world in me, and my life. Guess I'll just add the score and count the things I'm grateful for in my
Oh, Rob, you know I've always got an opinion before the judges, and even though that you were good in previous seasons, I feel like you've progressed. That is like a far cry from the last time I saw you as well. That was amazing. Well done, Rob. Zoe.
Yeah.
No.
I agree. That was literally. There's not much I wrote down because there's not much I can say. You owned that. That's the first thing I wrote was that you owned it. You were like so like in the zone and you were proper performing. It was like a proper performance. Your control as well is unreal, especially when you're up there and like the way you use your vibrato to like make. You know what I mean? Yeah. Your vibrato was so like strong and clear, and your diction as well was amazing. I could understand every word you sang. It was awesome. Well done.
Thanks, so.
I used to be a dance hall 9 years ago.
Great diction.
Yeah, and that's Aussie.
Yeah. Oh, there we are.
Yeah, I wrote down as well, your diction is very, very clear. There was some nerves, because I could see you shaking a little bit, but it comes along in time, so you'll get used to it. I love the vibrato in your voice, and I think that was a perfect song choice for you. And you had like a lot of passion in that as well, so it must have meant something to you for you to go for it that much. But that was a great performance. Well done.
Thanks, Joey.
Rob, yeah, I mean, obviously we've seen you before, you've been here before for us, but when somebody returns to this process, I always expect more, you know, because obviously we've seen them once, we've worked with them once, so I always expect them to be at an even better level than where they were before. And honestly, I gotta say, like, I was watching them in that, and what I felt like this time, this was very, very passionate about. Like, even the day then, I was watching it and I think one of the reasons maybe you was shaking because you was so in it. You was like, whoa, you know, you was in the zone. And I really, really admire that. I really, really do. I thought your vocal was fab on it. It's perfect for you as a singer. And to you sing something originally done by a female too. It's quite interesting to see. I think you've done an amazing job. Obviously, you've come in from an online audition too. And I think you've smashed it, man. So well done, Jim. Well done, mate.
Thanks, Joe. This is the Rob, guys. Well done, Lydia.